Taylor. Oh, hey, Megan.
What's wrong?
Well, I turned in a paper for my basket weaving class the other day, and my professor gave me an F because he said my sources weren't acceptable. I don't understand what the problem is. I used memes, cat pictures, and Betty White's Twitter.
No.
And now I'm just kind of confused because I don't know what to do for this paper.
Okay, so I think I know something that can help you out.
Oh, what?
It's through the library.
Okay.
And they're called research guides.
Oh, that sounds like just what I need.
I think it's going to be really helpful. Let's go check them out.
Let's roll out of here.
So we'll start by going to the library's homepage, which is library.uis.edu. Then we'll click on the Research Guides button. You'll see our guides here divided by subject area. To the right of that, there's a video about library research guides and requesting an appointment with a librarian. So let's push play and watch that now.
This short tutorial will demonstrate how to use the library research guides and how to schedule an appointment with a librarian. Start by going to the library homepage and locating the Research Guides button. When you reach the Research Guides page, you will see a number of different research guides sorted by subject. You can then choose the one that best fits your needs. For example, if you're looking to do research on the death penalty, because this topic is most closely related to the subject of criminal justice, the Criminal Justice Research Guide will help lead you to the best resources. After clicking on this guide, you'll find best bets links for database research, as well as additional resources. If at any point you need further assistance and would like help with your research, the Research Guides page will also allow you to make an appointment with your library liaison. The library liaison's picture, name, email address, and additional subjects are listed to the side of the page. After clicking on the Schedule an Appointment button under the librarian's name, you can choose the date and time in which you would like to meet with them for a research consultation. Once selected, please enter the additional information that the librarian requests. For example, your name, email address, title, a description of your research question, and the type of appointment you would like. When finished, simply click Confirm Appointment, and the librarian will be notified of your request. If you have any questions about how to use the library research guides or how to schedule an appointment with a librarian, please contact us at the library main desk. Thank you.